Literacy bubbles. The main purpose of this exploration is letter and initial consonant sound identification. There are lesson ideas included under Info that allow for extensions into word creation and rhyming. Settings. On this settings screen, you can choose up to 4 letters to appear on the screen. I'll choose B, L, and M. I have the option to have the bubble machine and sound on or off. We'll leave it on. I also can choose the maximum number of tokens per letter. I suggest that you keep this number of tokens small to start. With literacy bubbles, the bubbles behave as containers. If I place a letter or an object into a bubble, that bubble becomes connected to that letter or object. For example, this is now a bee bubble. I can place the baby into this bee bubble, but if I try to place the lamp, it will bounce out. If a child is unsure about what an object is, they can simply tap it.
B, lamp, baby, L.
I can also have multiple bubbles that belong to the same letter. This allows for more than one child to sort by the same letter, and then they can join them together. Penelope can be used when children complete their sorting. Pop the bubbles and start again. Or swipe up from the bottom to return to the main menu and select new letters. To close, swipe up from the bottom to return to the main menu and then swipe from the top down to close the exploration.